Test your English grammar, tenses, and verb forms. Total questions 15. Instructions. You will see a question with options. Choose the correct answer for each question. The correct answer will be shown after 5 seconds. Keep track of your score and share it in the comments. Good luck! English Grammar Quiz 1. Tenses and correct form of verbs. Number 1. I blank to the store when I bumped into an old friend. A. Was going. B. Go. C. Goes. D. Went. The answer was going. Number 2. They blank playing soccer when it started raining. A. Was. B. Where. C. Is. D. Be. Correct answer B. Where. Number 3. She blanked her keys in the car yesterday. A. Forgot. B. Forgets. C. Forgotten. D. Forgetting. Correct answer A. Forgot. Number 4. By the time I arrived at the party, everyone blanked. A. Reads. B. Left. C. Has left. D. Had left. Correct answer B. Had left. The cat blanked on the windowsill for hours last Saturday. A. Lay. B. Laid. C. Laid. D. Has lain. Correct answer A. Lay. Number 6. My sister, along with her friends, blank going to the concert tonight. A. Is. B. Are. C. D. Be. Correct answer A. Number 7. The books blank on the shelf for weeks before someone bought them. A. Sat. B. Sits. C. Set. D. Have sat. Correct answer A. Sat. Number 8. I wish I blank a better singer. A. B. Will be. C. Where. D. Would be. Correct answer C. Where. Number 9. She blank the news when I called her. A. Just hears. B. Just heard. C. Have just heard. D. Is just hearing. Correct answer B. Just heard. Number 10. Peter blank his homework yesterday. A. Finishes. B. Finish. C. Finished. D. Finishing. Correct answer, C. Finish. Number 11. My friends and I blank to the movies every weekend. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Went. D. Going. Correct answer, B. Go. Number 12. The sun blank in the east and sets in the west. A. Rises. B. Rise. C. Risen. D. Rose. Correct answer, A. Rises. Number 13. The children blank excitedly for their birthday party yesterday. A. Wait. B. Waited. C. Waiting. D. Waits. Correct answer, B. Waited. Number 14. I blank him tomorrow if he comes to the party. A. Will see. B. Sing. C. So. D. Sing. Correct answer, A. Will see. Number 15. Blank the TV on while you're out this morning. A. Did you leave? B. Do you leave? C. Are you leave? D. Have you leave? Correct answer, A. Did you leave? How many did you get? Good job! My students often claim that they consistently receive good grades in English grammar, but they still struggle to speak English fluently. Check out this video on the screen for action plan number 1